I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply Form D. Form D is a brief notice that companies must file with the Securities and Exchange Commission when they have sold securities without registering them under the Securities Act of 1933. This form is crucial for companies seeking to raise capital through certain private placements, allowing them to claim an exemption from the full registration process. Understanding its purpose is the first step in a successful filing. Now, let's delve into the specific rules under Regulation D that permit these exempt offerings. Rule 504 allows companies to raise up to $10 million within a 12-month period. Rule 506(b) permits an unlimited amount of capital to be raised from an unlimited number of accredited investors, plus up to 35 non-accredited investors. Rule 506(c) also allows unlimited capital, but requires all purchasers to be accredited and their status verified. Filing Form D is a straightforward process, but precision is key. You must submit the form electronically via the SEC's EDGAR system. The initial filing is due within 15 calendar days after the first sale of securities in your offering. The form requires specific details about your company, the offering terms, and the particular Regulation D exemption you are relying upon. Double-check all information for accuracy before submission to avoid potential issues. After filing your initial Form D, your responsibilities don't end. You must amend the form if there are any material changes to the offering information. Remember to also comply with state blue sky laws, as each state has its own requirements for exempt offerings. Maintaining meticulous records of all offering documents and investor communications is crucial. For any complex scenarios or specific legal questions, always consult with experienced legal counsel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.